Hello, hello. It's Auntie Paula. I'm going to read Biscuit's First Beach Day by Alyssa Satin Capucilli. Do you like Biscuit books? I do. Biscuit, the little yellow puppy. Biscuit's first beach day. Here we are, Biscuit. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a perfect day to spend at the beach. Woof, woof. We have our beach blanket and towels. Woof, woof. We have a big umbrella too. Woof. That's the way to help Biscuit. We can build a big sandcastle at the beach, Biscuit. I have my pail and shovel. Woof, woof. Funny puppy, and you know just how to dig. Woof. The beach is filled with seashells, Biscuit. Let's see how many we can find. Woof, woof. Oh, Biscuit, you found a starfish. Woof. Look, Biscuit, Puddles is here. Woof, woof, bow, wow. This way, everybody, we can all go for a dip in the ocean. Are you ready, Biscuit? Let's jump over the ocean waves together. Here comes a wave. Splash. Woof, 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 woof. Oh no, Biscuit. Not a big shake. It's time to dry off. It's lunchtime. Woof, woof, bow, wow. Silly puppies, no tugging on the towel. It's fun to have a picnic at the beach, Biscuit. We packed sandwiches, fruit, and drinks. Woof, woof, bow, wow. And some special treats for you, too. Oh no, there goes our beach ball. Woof, woof. Good puppy, you found our beach ball. You found a seagull, too. Woof! The sky is bright and clear. A warm breeze is blowing. The beach is a great place to fly our kites. Follow me, Biscuit. Woof, woof! Biscuit, Puddles, where are you going now? Woof, woof, bow, wow. Sweet puppies, the beach is a perfect place for lots of sun and fun and a little nap, too. The end.